Well guys, let's go for a drive in a R32 GTR with HKS 2530 turbos, HKS Step 2 VCam with a 2.8 liter stroker. Okay guys, so yes, we're in an R32 GTR. I'm just adding this into today's video. This was not planned. I was just at Up Garage talking with Doug about the Nismo oil separator, saying that when I raced last weekend at Pacific that my oil was low after 5 passes and I thought I was getting blow by, so I checked the oil separator in the Nismo catch can, and he was taking a look at my map and my tuning and maybe going to adjust the ignition timing or the advance on the timing, take a little bit of timing out on the map. So he's like, hey, if you want to drive this car, this has a HKS 2.8 liter stroker, it's got HKS 2530 turbos, what else does it have, and Step 2 VCam. So this is kind of the next level for my car. This one's making around 500 wheel. So thank you very much, Doug and Kevin. I'll put his information, his Instagram tag, which I recorded here before I hopped in the car. I'll throw it up on the screen if you guys want to follow Kevin. Thank you very much, Kevin. I'll take care of your baby. I won't get too hard on it. I'll do a good probably 3rd and 4th gear pull. So I want to play with the VCam because Step 2 VCam is a little bit more responsive. So I want to put it in like 4th gear and see if I can tell a difference. Which, yes, I do. It's dramatically different. My VCam, I don't really get that rush down low like this does. This is much better. Let's we'll do a pull on the freeway. That was 4th gear. This is 4th gear, like 2,000 RPMs. So like 2,500, it's coming alive. And let's see what kind of boost it's making. That's only like 2 pounds of boost. So yeah, I can feel a difference in the stroker. 2.8 liter as well. As that Step 2 VCam. Alright guys, let's do a quick 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gear pull here. And I really like the HKS suspension. It feels just as soft as my Öhlins. But here we go. Oh. Holy shit! Oh. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my god. This car, the difference in the surge when the boost comes on, holy crap. You can feel the car like fighting for traction. My car doesn't do anything like that. Let's see how much. Oh, let's just try not to get a ticket, huh? Holy shit! I don't know if the cameras can pick that up, but the VCam makes way more of a whine on this. And one thing that's cool is it's nice to see his oil pressure gauge is reading 5 bar, where my read's like 2.5 to 3 bars. So boy, this car is definitely getting some oiling. But smash a thumbs up if you guys have not. If you've made it so far to this point in the video, you know what? I think I'm just going to do a whole new video on this video because my footage today is already enough. So I'm just going to leave the cameras rolling. We're going to talk and drive. I'll shoot a little bit of video up here when we pull over. And yeah, this will just be a video about testing HKS Step 2 VCam as well as GT 2530 turbos. Wow.
I don't have friends. I got family.
Alright, we're turning around here. Wow. 1st and 2nd, man, the car is just like, holy shit. That's a different animal than mine. No comparison. Well, that makes me want to get a faster car at some point. Now I know what to expect when my engine eventually fails because of low oil pressure. Alright, let's get back on the freeway here. You guys hear the tires? Just, wow. think I blew the intercooler piping. I hope nothing broke. I'm kind of freaking out right now, honestly. Doug told me to take it out there and do like a nice 3rd and 4th gear pull, which I was doing the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th gear pull, and the oil pressure still seems to be normal. I'm just gonna putt until I get back to UP Garage and have Doug take a look at the map and the data logs and everything in Link and see what's going on. Kevin, if you're watching this, man, I hope I didn't do anything to damage your car. I'm gonna feel really bad, and that was definitely not my intention. I revved it to 7,000 RPMs and shifted, so that shouldn't be too much for a HKS forged pistons and fully built internals. Let's keep our fingers crossed, guys. So we're sitting at 2,000 RPMs. That's our oil pressure and our temp. So everything's looking good. We're almost back to the shop. After returning Kevin's car to UP Garage, Doug took a look at it, and yeah, the car overboosted. We hit 32 pounds of boost, which it's not supposed to go over 29. So that was the ECU safety parameters keeping the car from overboosting. So just cut boost. We also blew a vacuum line off the wastegate actuator on one of the turbos, but Doug checked everything out. No issues. Car's perfectly fine. This is the beast, and we didn't break anything. All we did was overboost. So we hit I think 31 pounds of boost, and it's supposed to hit 29. So we just hit the safety parameters on the ECU. Doug said nothing to worry about. So this is Kevin's engine. Look at all the zinc. Got some Tommy Effia, Adam LZ stuff. New JDM. ITVs. Same color as mine. 2.8 liter. This is Kevin's car. If you guys want to follow him, thank you, Kevin, for the drive. And Kevin, this is from Doug himself, so I was just double checking on your car, the data logs, and he said everything's fine. And thanks again to Kevin for letting me drive your R32 GTR. This thing kicks ass. I can't wait for you to get a hold of this thing in Arizona. You're gonna freaking love it, man. It's awesome. Well, guys, I'm just processing everything, and after having a little bit of time to kind of calm down after driving that crazy R32 with the HKS 2.8 liter stroker, the HKS 2530s, and step 2 VCam. Holy crap. I literally I have like the shakes, honestly, from driving it. I had such a big adrenaline dump. I haven't had an adrenaline dump in a car and probably since I was like 18 years old. It's been that long. To drive something so visceral and so violent like that car was, it just really blew my mind and my expectations, because I'm thinking, okay, my car makes 550 wheel. This is only an extra 50 horsepower. This is 500 wheel. What's really going to be the difference? Or 520 wheel, I think is what Doug said it hit. But the difference is in the torque curve. My car makes like around 360 foot-pounds of torque. This car is making 500 foot-pounds of torque. And you can definitely see that when the boost comes on. It comes on violent, it hits hard. The tires in the rear are fighting for traction. The car is like literally just scrolling all around the road. And yeah, like I literally, like I'm sitting in my car driving and I'm still like, I've got the jitters from the adrenaline coming out of my system. So yeah, it was definitely a kick-ass day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't been to Up Garage and you live locally, go, or sorry, not Up Garage, I always call it Up Garage, it's UP Garage, University Place Garage. If you haven't been out there, go visit them and check out what they got and what they do. They build some pretty amazing stuff, and really nice guys. And they'll take good care of you. And yeah, I think that's about it. So let me know what you guys thought of the R32 in the comments down below. You guys leave me a comment, and smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. And if you guys have made it this far and you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. This is kind of what this channel is going to be about, is driving race cars. And yeah, one extra bonus, I was just talking crap about my brake pads and how they suck. Doug's like, here, let me just, he's like, hold on a second. He goes to the back room, brings me out a set of Carbotech brake pads that are set up for autocross. And he's like, hey Josh, go home and try these out, let me know what you think. So thank you, Doug. Matt invited me to go to the Ridge next week, which is a day that I have to work, so I gotta try to get the day off and see if I can go do some track racing. So I want to do circuit racing. That's what I built this car for. Going in a straight line is really not that fun. There's not that many variables. How fast can you shift? And that's about it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.